DeMatha does a phenomenal job of reaching out to people from different backgrounds.
I chose DeMatha for a legacy, and I thought it was right for me.
Really nice seeing students bond from freshman year and become that brotherhood.
Hi, my name is Pat Goulden, Director of Admissions at DeMatha Catholic High School and proud graduate of the class of 2009. When I think about what makes DeMatha a special place, the first thing that comes to mind is our people. You know, relationships is really at the center of everything we do at DeMatha Catholic High School.
My name is MAUREEN RITZ, and I'm the Director of Guidance and Counseling, and this is my 20th year here. There's a culture here of wanting to learn and wanting to develop a passion about certain things, and people encourage each other, and when you walk down the hall you'll see two teachers talking to each other about something they just read or something they just taught or something they want to read, or you just see this collaboration, and that's teaching the students.
Hi, my name is THERMAN Hawkins III, and I'm graduating in 2022. In terms of the teachers, in and out of the classroom, I have just a phenomenal communication with them. I could email them at just like 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock at night, and they'll still get back to me if I have a question on schoolwork or anything.
My name is MORLEY, and I'm the year of 2022. They relate to you, it's fun, they make the class fun, they involve you in the class, and they don't make you feel inferior like you're a student. They make you feel like everyone's the same, they teach you the same, and it's a great education.
Now we're at 130 feeder schools, something like that, so we have all these middle schools that are feeding into DeMatha now. And I think that's really helped with the diversity. You know, you come in here and you don't know a lot of people, and you get to know a lot of people, and they really bond from freshman year and become that brotherhood.
When I go out and talk to various elementary schools about what makes DeMatha special, I unquestionably talk about the 6 pillars of DeMatha: faith, community service, academics, arts, and athletics. And while all of those things are incredibly important, what really is the defining characteristic of a DeMatha education is relationships. I'm really privileged because I actually get to see the students, their 7th and 8th grade years, and to watch them grow from those nervous 9th graders into those confident 12th graders ready to go to college and really take on the world. It's really a treat for me. Truly, when our men walk through those doors in 4 years, they leave with a village and with a family.